Hello and welcome to my review of the 2023 Jurassic Park 30th anniversary Dilophosaurus ambush. So let's get right into the vehicle. So here we are with just the vehicle, which is an amazing build, by the way. So you got of course, the Jurassic Park logos and everything along the sides. If it'll focus, come on, there we go. You got that. Nice detail for the way it is shaped. It's on both sides. Yeah. We got the wheels. Nice big off-road wheels. Got a spare on the back because you get a flat tire. Which in this, it's probably a little more than a flat tire, but yeah. It was just a simple Technic frame with some base plates and this, and the wheelbase. Yeah. And then up here you can see the hood. This is Jurassic Park. JP is for Jurassic Park. And 12, I think that's just the Jeep number. Yeah, because it's got 12 on the side. Yeah, so you got the gray piece to make the hood. And then over here is a different color to indicate like mud on it. Because, yeah, the stickers have got mud on it. Yeah. And then you got, mud down over here. Stuff. Mud on here. Which is funny because those are the bottoms of... That's the bottom of a dinosaur foot. And that's the bottom of Lego minifigure feet. Interesting, I never noticed that before. Yeah, simplistic roof build, just what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A 6x8 plate with 2x4 tiles. I just threw it. What? Okay, yeah, just 2x4 tiles to make up the roof. And then you got the interior here. You got, steering wheel, little stick shift, the seat backs with the seats and some trunk space with the glass. I wonder how you'd get that trunk open. Don't know. And you got like this roll cage, like off-road bar piece with the fog lights. It just folds on there. And you got this nice printed grill piece. Yeah, it's printed. Other than that, it's a pretty simple build. It's really nice for display purposes and everything. A lot of playability too with this set. So let's get on to the side build. So here we are with the side build. It's got the sign right here. So it's supposed to be pointing that way. It says East Stock with a little map of, I can't remember the island for Isla Nublar. I think that's the one for Jurassic Park. Yeah, the sign is, meant to be, if I get down there, it's meant to be hit and tipped over with the sign. So it's just meant to be tipped over. It's a frog, a little white frog right there. This is probably my favorite detail in this whole set is the Barbasol can. For those of you who've seen Jurassic Park, you'll know what the Barbasol can is. It goes right there next to a little white frog. So it's very simplistic. It's got the bushes, the more of the bush, some leaves, some muddy ground, and then let's stick the sign back on there. So now that we've seen the side build, let's take a look at the minifigures. Well, one minifigure and a dinosaur. Here we are with the minifigures. Let's take a look at the dinosaur first. So here is the Dilophosaurus. I think it's just one solid mold. Yeah, it's just one solid mold except for the bottom jaw. The bottom jaw is separate. Yeah, the bottom jaw's. It'll go back on there now. Come on. There we go. Yeah. It just can open and close. It's very nice Dilophosaurus. The curve on the tail. Some studs right there. I think those are anti-studs, to connect. So now on to the minifigure, which this is Nedry. He's got front printed, back printed torso. You can see the little Jurassic Park badge and everything right there. No side printing or printing on the pants. He's got a dual printed face. This one's for the Dilophosaurus, which spits acid. So, yeah, and this one he's sweating because he's run into it. Yeah. I'll show some ways you can display it, and there will be a little bit of what would you call it? Just like some pictures or just a small video of just a go around of the vehicle in a little bit closer detail. Yeah, so I'll show you some ways to display it. I only really have one, so here is the display I normally have it say as. Is the truck is up over the base, and it hit the sign, dinosaur. Yeah, he's got him. He's locked in right there. Yeah. It's real nice. It's a real nice display piece. For people who collect a display, but if you're a little kid, it's more for playing, so it's got some playability. And now, really quickly, I'm going to show off the instructions and the box. So here we are with the box. It's got 211 pieces. You can see how they've got it on here. On the back here, the display purposes. It's very nice. It's a very interesting box. We got the T-Rex right here. Side there, which is the rest of the T-Rex, which that's cool. Then you got some printing right there, which wraps all the way around. Same with here. Yeah, and then you got this printing here with all this stuff, and then the date and barcode and stuff down here. It's 2023 is the date. Right there. 2023. So yeah, now onto the instructions. Okay, so here's the instructions, just simplistic white instructions with that. There's, let's see. "91 steps, I think. Oh no, that's for the side build, but so let's see, 72. There's 74 steps for the Jeep. And then there's, there's that starts the steps over again. So let's see, 74. So it's 90 steps in total. Yeah, 90 steps in total. Count everything. Yeah, it's not very thick. It's fairly easy build. Its retail price is it's $20, I believe. It is $20 retail price. I would just like to thank you guys for watching my review for the Dilophosaurus ambush, and hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.